Hi friends, welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran. Last time we had discussed about Nifty topping out around 26,300, 26,380 zones, and after our update, Nifty has tested the levels of 23,800 zones, and now Nifty is crucially poised. Nifty now trading levels of 23,860-880 zones. Now Nifty, if breaks the levels of 23,800 and sustains below these levels, we are heading towards 23,600, 23,500 zones. Bank Nifty 2 holding on to the levels of 51,000 and 51,100 remains very crucial for now. A break below 51,000 and 50,800, we are heading towards 50,300 to 50,000 zones. India VIX 2 shooted up to 14.80 levels. It's very crucial now. Nifty and Bank Nifty, it's a make or break for index to sustain above these levels. It's great opportunities to emerge in coming sessions for long-term investing. Get ready for quality stocks to add and accumulate for your long-term wealth creation. That's it for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.